Hello, welcome to AfricanPianoLessons.com. So in today's lesson, we'll be looking at how you can start building up, stronger, say guitar rhythms, or you can use electric piano depending on how you see. So look at the basic structure, to the song. What shall I say unto my God to fall? All I have to say is thank you, Lord. What shall I say unto my God? It's called for. All I have to say is thank you, Lord. Just a quick recap. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for all I have to say is thank you, Lord. So in this lesson, what I was trying to do is, if you take that inversion, C on your left hand, or so it depends on what the basis is to playing. But really, if you take this inversion, and we're going E, G, C. What shall I say unto my God? All I have to say is thank you, Lord. So all I was just doing was trying to play a double note. So you can what shall I take chord 1, E, G, C, chord 4, C, F, A, and chord 5, D, G, B. Again, chord 1, E, G, C, which we've gone over in the previous aspects of the song, chord 4. So the first reading is where we, what shall I say? What shall I unto my God? I have to sing. So I'll play slowly. What shall I unto my God? Unto my God, we have to sing. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. So now the reading is E, G, C, G, A, G, E. That's the reading. And I'm using jazz guitar at the moment. So you can use any guitar tone, but you can also play, using electric piano. What shall I say? Onto my 4. Now for chord 4, C, F, A, C, F, A, F, G, F, C. All I have to D, G, B. Now from the beginning again, slowly. E, G, C, G, A, G, E. E, G, C, E, G, A, G, E. For chord 1, chord 4, C, F, A, F, G, F, C. And again. Then chord 5, D, G, B, G, A, G, D, D, G. Then slowly, chord 1, chord 1, to 4, 4, 4, to 5, so now if you combine that to that's a, what shall I say unto my God? All I have to say, thank you, Lord. What shall I say unto my God? All I have to say, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. All I have to say, thank you, Lord. Ba, 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 da, ba. Now if you combine the left hand, come on. So with the beat, let's see how it sounds. What shall I say unto my even if you use, let's say, electric piano, you can still get the same effect. I was just playing that, beats and pieces. So sometimes it depends on the tone you're using and how you want to feel the song. But everything I was doing is just bass round. Thank you, Lord.